up, Big Nation? It's your boy Kenny Boogie, and I got a couple days of vacation left. We about to head to Uptown Chicken and Waffles to see what that's about. This spot right here is down in Fayetteville. I want y'all to come with me this morning and check it out, man. This is the spot right here. Ooh. And you know what I'm getting? Hot fish and grits. Let's do it. I'll see you when we get down there. We got about a 55-minute ride straight to Fayetteville. Peace. All right, what's up, Big Nation? We done made it to Uptown Waffles. We done found us a nice little parking spot. I came here. It's not really in the hood, but it is a little bit ghetto, but you're gonna see the food. Maggie out here, BMW just parked to me. The hotel is closed that's next to it, but everything else is open, so we're gonna go in here and make it do what it do. You're welcome. How you doing?
Hello.
It's one.
It's
One. Yeah. It's on.
Phone number?
9.
And you said Sean?
Mm-hmm. Spelled it right. Smart girl. Okay. So we up in here, Big Nation. We get some fish and grits. Might even get waffle, but it's the chicken and waffle spot. You know, I had chicken the other night. I don't do chicken too much. I will rather have fish than chicken, but that's what I'm gonna do. And we'll go from there, and then we'll see what's happening. We're gonna leave from here after we finish eating. We're gonna leave from here, and we're gonna go where we got Maggie from. I'm gonna slide up to this place called Flip My Cycle. We got a couple bikes over there I want to take a look at, and take a look at and see what they got, man. Believe me. They got some good stuff in their store. We just have to do it right, find it right. And I know they got a couple victories in there, so we're gonna go check those out and see what's going on. So once I get the food, get seated, I'll let you know what's going on. And I think this is the 3rd time I've been here. Second time I was here, left my wallet in this joint, and they called me and told me. In fact, I called them, and they left my wallet. And they gave me my wallet. Everything was all good. I'm gonna go out to the bike. Matter of fact, grab my stand. We can do this the right way. Peace. Fuck you. I was gonna grab my stand, but as soon as I stood to go get it, then he came and got me. That's why I left. If I didn't leave, I'd be home watching that. I wasn't gonna look up. It'd be 12:30, 1 o'clock. Man. Yeah, it's like waste time not doing nothing. Oh no, I'm good. I'm recording, so we good. What's your name? Sam. Nice. Sam, I am Sean. Nice to meet you, brother. So, I said the dude's name was Sam. I am. But what's the spot, man? Well, this is a karaoke spot on the weekends too. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You go in Fayetteville, I'll give you the address. I want whiting, Southern Fried Fish and Grits. How much is the extra piece of whiting? Never extra piece. Yeah, that's it. I'm hungry, so I'm looking at everything. What's your name again? Ariana? Okay. Camera on that side. So you know what we're doing. You definitely don't want to overeat. Came to the spot. Give me a nice little ride in. I'm gonna like an hour. And then I'm gonna go from there. From here, I'm gonna go to Flip, see what's going on with Flip. And then we might see what's slide by the Harley spot. You never know. Slide back out to the other side. But when the food come, I'll hit y'all back up and let y'all see the food, what's going on over here. Y'all need to make it over here. Peace. Alright. I've been here before. This lady just told me it's lemon tea and they put peach in it. But I had it before and it's straight up peach. And it tastes like peach. It tastes like lemon. It tastes like peach. So let's see what we got going here. That's the fish. Got an extra piece of fish because I'm greedy. And I had fish yesterday, went to seafood place. See what's going on here. Move this out the way. You can see the fish sitting about the bowl. And if I was driving my truck, I might get a little mimosa. Yeah, grace. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this food. Amen. The hands that made it, bless him too, or her. Let's try these grits. That's how grits should be. That's how grits should be. Let's go on and incorporate this other piece of fish over here. I like a good grit, very good grit, and I also like a nice crispy piece of fish. This is white. Nice and hot, fresh. I ain't got nothing bad to say, man. It's worth every minute of that hour to get here, make this happen, make this do what it do. I don't need no salt, I don't need no pepper. Season right, the grits are seasoned right. They're at the right texture. They should be soupy. Everything that you want in the grip is there. Alright, so that's a wrap. Clean my hand, got my fish and grits. Talk about do something on the vacation. Been out a couple days. Take this back to the house. Stop our Flip, and then we can slide back to the house, man. See what's going on with Flip. Might slide over to the Harley Davidson dealership just to check it out. See what's going on over there. Okay, here. Let's walk up and Flip, see what's going on in here. for you. So I can sit down and see what's going on with this. So with these forged bars on it, let's check it out. Stop. About to hit it. I didn't have the key. Can't find my sunglasses, so that's why we got the full face on, so we can put our shade on. But set it up GPS, and then I'll check you when we stop the gas, and then we're gonna head to the crib. Peace. So, we did make it. Went to Fayetteville. Went to Flip. Now we're about to head it back to the crib. It's a little something, man. Got to get out. I know everybody likes to ride on the weekend. When I was down in Myrtle, I seen a lot of trailers where a lot of people didn't ride, but a lot of people came from different places, but it's fun to ride.